Hello friends, it's Christy Marcotte. I received some super happy mail today. This is the Love From Lizi February 2019 card kit. Isn't it beautiful? So I did receive my kit just a little bit later since I was away at Creativation along with a couple of the other Love From Lizi design team members. But it's here now and I can't wait to show you what's included. So I do want to mention that the kit has already sold out. It actually sold out really quick while we were in Creativation, so it's just a beautiful kit, so I'm not surprised. So if you do want to receive kits in the future, the best way to do that is to subscribe to the monthly kits. There are still add-ons available, and I will add links in the description box for all of those. So starting with the cardstock, this is all 8.5 by 11. There's black, aqua, cream, white, and navy. And then there is a beautiful pearlescent cardstock. This is a mint green color. This is one of the specialty cardstocks that's included. And then there's also 4 that are card front size of the specialty cardstock. So there is a black pearlescent, this gold textured mirror. Isn't that just lovely? The detail is just amazing. And then just a gold mirror. And this one's hard to see, but it is a white pearlescent paper. And then there is a 6x6 sheet of vinyl. This is like a gold matte, and it is self-adhesive. So this would be easy to use for die cutting. And then there are 3 sheets of 12 by 12 paper, and these all include some cut aparts. So they have images and sentiments, and it all coordinates just perfectly with the pattern paper and all of the other papers in the kit. So I love this one. It has like little squared boxes that you could put a sentiment on the inside. And then if you don't care for the cut aparts, they are double-sided. So there's this nice tone-on-tone with some peacock feathers and some polka dots. And kind of a similar with just some brighter colors and the teal and the blue, and then a nice striped pattern. And there's also a 12 by 12 sheet of stickers that have images as well as sentiments on there. And again, it all coordinates together perfectly. And then this month there are 6x6 papers. So there are 12 sheets, and these are all single-sided. And they're just beautiful designs. Everything coordinates together. Lizi always does such a great job making her kits. So a lot of peacock feathers in there, just some teals and dark blues, a little bit of yellow. This one has like an old-fashioned magazine or newspaper print. There's some more of that striped that matches with the 12 by 12. Some lovely flowers, some polka dots. Even has like little tiny peacock faces or heads in the polka dots. So I'm looking forward to playing with all of these. Just beautiful colors. And then the peel-offs are just gorgeous. These are teal mirror peel-offs. You see how shiny those are? Perfect color to go with this month's kit. And there is an embossing folder, and it's kind of like an Art Deco design. And then this is the Add a Girl stamp set. So it has this lovely peacock on there and then a feather, and these could be used so easily just embossed versus coloring if you don't care to color. And it has this nice detailed frame, and all of the sentiments fit inside of that frame. And then the die set is also just a real intricate detailed die. So it has 3 different dies. One has the nice frame, and then there's this long one that you could use as a border, and then a little one for like the corners. So that's everything that's included in the 12 by 12 bag. So moving on to the embellishment bag, there are 3 feathers included. So 2 are black and then 1 in this really lovely green. And these are really soft and they're perfect. They'll lay nice and flat on your card or project. And then sticking with the feather theme, there are 2 wood veneer feathers that are plain, so you could decorate them however you want. And then of course our bottle of Nuvo drops. So these are glitter drops and it is Sunlit Meadow. And it's just beautiful. See all that sparkle in there? And there are some just lovely gold gems. So this is like a champagne gold. And then to coordinate with those, there's a little bag of super fine gold glitter. So this is that same champagne gold. So this kit has a lot of sparkle to it. And then of course the sequin mix, and this is always a sample mix. If you really like the sequin mix every month, Lizi does sell it as a full bag in the add-ons. So this one has all the teals and blacks and golds, and it just matches so perfectly with the whole kit. And then there are these 3 sprigs of pearls. So then on each one there are 3 different little branches. And so you could use them all together, or you could like cut those pearls off if you wanted to use them separately. And they go really well with the feathers. And then there's also this one piece of black, like a mesh deco. So it's kind of bendable and it has a nice texture to it, so that'll be fun to use. And then the ribbons, they're all the skinny ribbons, and there's 4 different colors, all of them 1 meter in length. So there's a teal, there's black, there's a royal blue, and then a pale blue. So that's everything that's included in the embellishment bag. So I did pick up several of the add-ons, and of course the specialty paper, since I love the specialty paper. So this first sheet, these are both sold individually. So this is an ocean blue embossed cardstock, and it has this beautiful detail on it. And then the other one is Tiffany Rose's embossed cardstock. So it's kind of hard to see with my light reflecting on there, but it has a lovely rose design embossed on it. And then I've got a few of the cardstock bundles. So the first one is the Add Girl textured cardstock bundle. It includes 6 sheets. So it has a real matte black, a mirror black, a gold mirror, and then a gold satin, and then gold glitter, and then black glitter. So all 6 of those come in a bundle. And then there is the Add a Girl glitter cardstock bundle. So this also comes with 6 sheets. So it has that light blue, kind of a copper, a black, white, gold, and then a royal blue. And these are a nice glitter, they don't shed. And then the next one, this is the Add a Girl satin cardstock bundle. So there are 6 sheets included in this one as well. So it has that blue, and then there's several different shades of green, kind of a greenish blue in there, and then a gold. So I love this satin, this is really pretty. And then the final cardstock bundle is the Add a Girl pearlescent cardstock. And this one includes 8 sheets. I think the pearlescent is actually my favorite, but I love the satin as well. So I guess I'm not sure. I just love all the specialty papers. So there's a nice assortment of colors, some gold, some blues, kind of a brownish copper and a gray. The last one's kind of a peach color. So really pretty. And then I did get the ephemera pack that matches with all of the cardstock, not the cardstock, with the pattern papers. So there's some really large pieces in there that wouldn't necessarily work for a card unless you get a little creative, but it has images and sentiments. And then this is a full sheet of brad. So there's enamel and metal brads in there, and some have little tags on it, some have a little bit of glitter. It's really pretty. And then there's a sheet of layered chipboard stickers, and it has a gold glitter on all of them. And then I also got the sheet of the thickers. So this is the gold foam letter stickers, and they have a nice dimension to them. And of course I have to get more peel-offs. So this time there is an add-on. This is the Add a Girl peel-off pack. So you get 4 different colors. And I love the black glitter. I think that one's my favorite. And then this month, the silver holographic is available individually. So this was in last month's kit, and I used up almost all of it. And then there's also a gold holographic. And then Lizi released 6 new embossing powders. So there's Perfect Peach, Sparkling Brilliant Blue that has this nice glitter to it. There's Glossy Clear. And then Sparkling Emerald City, which again has that glitter in there. Peppermint Party, more of that glitter. And then last is Brilliant Blue. So really pretty colors that all coordinate perfectly with the papers. So then I also received one of the 8x8 paper packs. So this contains 16 sheets of 8x8 pattern paper. So some of them are single-sided, some have double-sided designs. So this one has some lovely sentiments on some tags. There's a couple that have this really pretty gloss detail to them. So very soft colors, lots of florals on them. This one has an embossing detail on it, same with this arrow paper. It's hard to see. And then this wood grain and the plaid both have a fabric feel to them. And then the rest of them are all double-sided, so you have a variety of different patterns to choose from. But all in that same real soft colors. So this would be really nice for just feminine cards or even Valentine cards with all of the hearts and the I love you sentiments on it. And then I do have the new mega pack on its way. I don't actually have it yet, but the new one is called the Feeling Sentimental, and it's a beautiful mega pack. Just like all of Lizi's, it has 32 sheets of 8x8 paper. This one has 5 specialty cardstock sheets and then 4 steel dies. So I will show that to you as soon as I receive it, and I'm super excited about it. So here's just another peek at the Love From Lizi February 2019 card kit. And again, this kit is sold out, but there are several of the add-ons still available if you are interested. I will include links to all of the add-ons that I showed you in the description box below. And stay tuned, because very soon I will have my 10 cards, 1 kit video available. So please subscribe so you don't miss that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.